Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm doing well and hope you are great. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, in this video, we are going to learn how to use present perfect tense in different situations in our lives. So, without making delay, let's get started. Come on!
Friends, present perfect tense is indeed simple and easy if you try to understand it. It seems to be confusing to some, though the tense has a very simple structure. However, anything can be learned, and this video on present perfect tense is here to help our learning process. In this video, the daily life situations will help you to understand better.
Friends, present perfect tense is used to express a past event that has present consequences. For example, look at the boy, he is searching for his key. Actually, today 4 o'clock at the evening, he found that his key had gone missing, but its consequence is present. In such cases, we can use present perfect tense. So we can say, he has lost his key. For this, the structure is has or have plus V3. If the subject is singular, we use has. If the subject is plural, we use have. But I is a special case. Even it is a singular, it is followed by have.
Hey, you are looking tired. Are you hungry?
No, I just had lunch.
Friends, if you want to make negative sentences, just add not after has or have.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you going for your holiday?
I have not decided yet. What about you? Have you planned to go anywhere?
Yes, I have.
To where?
Kodaikanal.
Wow, such a nice place we have decided to visit. By the way, have you reserved your tickets?
No, we have tried to book it, but it has been at waiting list 95. So we have decided to go for Tatkal booking.
Okay, have a safe and joyful journey.
Thank you.
Friends, if you want to make yes or no questions, remove has or have and place it in the very beginning of the sentence.
Hey, I can't find my bag. Have you seen it anywhere?
No, I haven't.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
I have to go to Bivaram. Has the bus arrived?
Yes, it has, but it has just gone.
Shit.
Not to worry, one more bus is arriving.
Thank God.
Friends, place WH word before has or have to make WH questions.
Call Ripka to have some snacks.
She has already gone.
Oh, where has she gone?
She has gone home.
Friends, present perfect tense is used with just, already and yet. For example,
Hey, have you sent the mail?
I have just typed it, but I haven't sent it yet. Friends, we can use present perfect tense with it's the first time, this is the second time, that is the third time, like that.
Hey Teju, have you driven a car before? No, it's the first time I have driven a car.
This is the second time you have forgotten your book.
That's the third time she has lost her key.
Friends, one more important use of present perfect tense is to talk about life experiences. For this, we use the words ever and never. Ever means at any time. Never means at no time.
Has she ever got up before 7 o'clock?
No, never. I have never seen a dolphin.
Have you ever seen a tiger closely?
Has he ever come to school early?
No, never. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? I have never been to Ooty.
I have never traveled outside my country. Friends, thanks a ton for watching it till then. And if it is worth watching, please share this video with your friends. And can you guess what our next video on? If you can, don't forget to post your guessings in the comments. Okay guys, thank you so much for your support. Yours, Apna from SEKHAR'S English. Bye bye.